Hi, as you can all see, we have started a new journey today. It's from Delhi to Varanasi, and we had come to Delhi for our holy vacation, and we decided to just have a trip to Varanasi. I took my parents, my kids, my big family here, and here is Rona, and we all are traveling to Varanasi. It's time for some heritage and cultural tour. We'll be traveling by train this time. We decided to, bake ourselves in the glory of Indian Railways, and it's a beautiful train. No car this time. It's a beautiful train this time. It's called Shiv Ganga Express, and we'll be traveling to Varanasi tonight. Tomorrow we will be in Varanasi for the next 3 days, and then we come back to Delhi, and then we fly back to Bangalore, and on the way back we will be coming via the train, which is one of India's fastest train, called Vande Bharat train, right? Right now we are at this place called Lakshmi Ji Toast Wale. I read about them somewhere on Google. They have very unique varieties of roasted bread and tea. Let me show you around. So when you are in Varanasi, make sure you drop by here. It's very close to Vishwanath Mandir. And they have pretty good toast stuffed with white cream and tea. अभी शाम के 6 बजे हैं. It's 6 in the evening and then the view here is absolutely mesmerizing. We have come out for the evening boat ride on Ganges and I just can't wait to show you how beautiful this looks. The whole worth of this trip comes down to this moment when you come down in the evening for a boat ride with aartis all around happening. Let me show you around how beautiful this is. See the ghats here. My family is sitting in this boat. And so many people on the boats all around. Good morning. Abhi we are on our way to Sarnath temple and Ashok stump pillar is there and it will be quite informative for the kids. For us also we should see and know where the Ashok stump symbol came on our Indian currency. We are on the way to see that. It's very crowded and very noisy here. So I'll connect once I reach Sarnath. We are now at Sarnath Mandir. It's a very famous place for Buddhism. It's a very beautiful place. It's very well maintained. Let me show you around. We are here in the afternoon. It's nice breezy, little breeze here, so not feeling much of sunshine. And I'm wearing a nice, Om shirt here. So this is the temple here. And they have very nice, well-maintained gardens all around. You can see behind. You can come with your family, spend a couple of hours here. It's a very quiet place. We have hired a guide who is giving us all the gyans about the place. You can see the stoop over there, right at the corner there. The stoop is almost 12 kilometers out of the city, and you can easily take an electrical rickshaw to come here. They'll charge you $150 for a whole rickshaw, and it can be shared by 4 people. It takes an hour to come here by e-rickshaw. So we will go back to the city now and have our lunch in the city. making a Banarsi silk sari by hand. These are years and years of mastery learned from them. In this world of highly mechanized machines, they're doing this process all by hand. They're making a Banarsi silk sari here. You can see the detailing that goes into making the sari, and it's wonderful to see it happening over here. आज हम सेकेंड इवनिंग आए हैं गंगा घाट पे एंड इतना सुंदर है कि यू कांट स्टे अवे फ्रॉम इट।
और जब देखी तो मजा आता।
तो हमने सोचा कि फिर से आकर दोबारा दूसरी बार ये गंगा पोल्यूटर्स हैं ये तो कमाल है। हाउ कैन इन दीज पीपल एग्जिस्ट? दे डोंट हैव एनी कॉमन सेंस, बट यू आर ऑन द बैंक्स ऑफ गंगा, सो हैव पीस एंड मूव ऑन। So it's a beautiful view here. It's sometimes people who mar the view. Nature has so much to offer. अभी कुछ देर में आरती शुरू हो जाएगी. It will start that area over there. That's called Assi Ghat. Varanasi was formed because of these two places, Varun River and Assi River, and they together became Varanasi. So in some time you can see all that area over there. It will turn into spiritual hotbed with aartis all around happening. And then also if I take further down this side, all the ghats, especially Dasmasai Ghat down that side over there, you can see aartis happening over there. And there are a lot of boats here which you can rent and take a ride on the Ganges river, and while the aarti is happening you can take the view from the boat like what we did yesterday. ये है लेमन टी और हम गंगा के घाट पे अभी लेमन टी पी रहे हैं। तू मुझ में कहीं बाकी है, पलकों पे बन के आ। This is how Ganga looks at 5 in the morning. The sun is about to come from the east and it's a little cool breeze. We came early for a 6 a.m. aarti, 5 a.m. aarti. Good morning from the Ghats of Varanasi. It's 6:30 in the morning and we are having a boat ride here at the Ganges. Let me show around. It's an amazing, mesmerizing feeling. The sun is coming up. Slight rays of sun. It's basking you a little bit. The color shades of water. It's green, grey, blue, yellow, orange. I'm here with my family on the boat. We have taken a whole boat and it's been like an hour now that we got on the boat. We heard the morning chants of the Aarti, which is very nice, very beautiful. It's very heart soothing. On my backside here, you can see an island where we are going right now. You can have camel rides with your kids. You can have horse riding. They're all ghats. You know, you can see on the backside of mine completely. Different ghats are there. Each ghat has its own unique culture and story behind it, why the ghat was formed, and this goes beyond thousands of years. It's a good feeling, you know, if you're looking for a boat ride. The mornings are better because there are no mosquitoes here, there are no flies, it smells good, a little bit of sun around, and it's great. It's good to be here in the morning. Make sure you carry some extra clothes because it can get a little bit breezy in the mornings. You can feel a little bit cold. We are now waiting for our cup of tea because in the morning that's the first thing I generally have, but we just got up and came on the boat, so the next thing I'm searching for is a cup of tea. And we just got off this small little island here. It's all white sand, it's very cold, and it's just by the Ganges here. You can get down for some horse ride, you can get down for some camel ride. Ronav is having his camel ride right now over there. You can see Ronav having the camel ride. And it's very cold sand. It feels good to walk here barefoot. It's a must try when in Varanasi. So we checked out of our hotel at around 12 o'clock, and the train that we are taking, Vande Bharat Express, is around 3 o'clock. So to have a quick, and it's very hot outside in Varanasi. So to have some refreshment, we stopped over at Burger King. It's on the way to the railway station from our hotel. It gets really warm in the months of, you know, April, May, June and so on. So, and you know, the streets become really crowded, and it's not so good to you know, spend a lot of time at the railway station because the station is not so big, or you know, it doesn't have so much facilities to stay with a long family. So we stopped over at Burger King. We will leave in next 15 minutes to board our 3 o'clock train, and we will be reaching Delhi by 11 p.m. in the night. It's an 8-hour seating chair car train. I'll be showing you around. We are boarding this train for the first time, and let's see how, you know, it comes out to be. We're now at the Varanasi railway station. Make sure to reach the right station because there are 3 stations in Varanasi. One is Varanasi City Station, one is Varanasi Junction, and the third one is Mathua something. So this is our train. This is Vande Bharat Express. Our coach is E2. It's executive class. We'll be starting from Varanasi at 2. You can see the train behind me. Let me show you around the train. So we're waiting with 2:20 right now, and probably by next 10-15 minutes the doors will open for us to board. So we're pretty excited to board this train. Let's see what's inside. So we are in Vande Bharat Express right now. As I can show you around, this is a coach. It's a 2x2 configuration, and you can move the seats. So the kids are just having some fun with the seats alignment. You can change the seats here. It's got pretty comfortable spaced luggage all up. And it's a 2x2 configuration. It's got pretty good leg room here. The seats are reclinable. The windows can be retracted up and down based upon the shades.